Are you tired of pouring your heart into your business only to feel invisible? What if I told you there's just one thing standing between you and a brand folks remember for life? Let's unlock that together. It ain't the fanciest logo or the biggest ad spend. Nope, it's all about consistency. Picture your favorite brand. Chances are their colors, their voice, even their message always feel like coming home. That's consistency at work, building trust one message at a time. Now imagine meeting someone who acts different every day, funny on Monday, serious on Tuesday, then vanishes for weeks. Would you trust them? That's exactly how folks feel about brands that can't keep steady. The brands folks remember know who they are and they show up the same way every time. Before you post again, just ask, does this sound and feel like my brand? If it does, you're not just making noise, you're building a legend. So go on, be the brand folks talk about long after you're gone.